Video 881, BFJ 181, let's get into it. So we have a function that takes a clicking position on the y-axis and converts it to a discrete unit somewhere within our world space. We got a whole bunch of variables right here. You're gonna have to pause to read these. We don't have time. Let's scroll down here. We got some more calculations. This is for flooring. We have the output discrete unit y here, render pipeline index, the fragment shader mapping mode we're going to use for the current pipeline index, the minimum and maximum bounds on the y-axis for our digital Planck units in the world space, and then the magnitude of the on-screen and off-screen viewports here. We have some variables we're going to use in the percent mapping mode and the discrete sample tile mapping mode. And then right here, if we are out of bounds, if we're out of bounds to the left, we're gonna do the minimum possible discrete unit. If we're out of bounds to the right, we're gonna do the maximum possible discrete unit. And then right here, if the mapping mode is percent mode, we are going to zero out the pixel position on the on-screen viewport, convert it to a floating point value, unwind it into a zeroed out discrete unit on the off-screen viewport, and re-globalize it to get an output discrete unit y. If we are using the undershoot discrete unit mode of calculating our output point, then we're going to get we're going to get a sample tile height here, half of a sample tile height here, and then we're going to zero out our pixel here, and one pixel is one sample tile, so we're going to assign this to sample tile y, and then we're going to tack on half of a sample tile to the top edge of our off-screen viewport for a textile center model, and then the amount of sample tiles times the sample tile height in discrete units. If we tack on this amount to here, we're going to have our output discrete unit y, and then we're not going to support this mode, and if the mode is nil, we're just going to randomize the output. We're going to throw an error if we don't recognize the mode, and we're spitting out the output discrete unit y here. If you want a larger explanation, you'll have to go here. We don't have time here. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. Like, subscribe, and follow.